In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files, 2025. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to save assets from your Wix site using the built-in preview view. This approach is perfect when you want to grab images or documents that are already visible on your pages. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your Wix account and that you have editing access to the site you're working on. Start by opening the Wix website editor for your site. The editor is where you design and arrange your pages, but for downloading visible files, we'll use the site's preview mode. Preview lets you experience the site the same way a visitor would, which makes selecting and saving items much easier and avoids the editor's design overlays. Once the editor loads, click the Preview button at the top. Your site will switch to a clean, interactive view. Navigate to the page that has the file you want. Hover your mouse over the item, whether it's a banner, gallery image, or embedded picture, so you can clearly see the exact element you're targeting. If the site shows a larger version when you click an image, go ahead and bring that version into focus. This ensures you're saving the best available display size on the page. Next, place your cursor over the image and right-click to open your browser's context menu, then choose Save Image As. Pick a folder on your computer, rename the file if needed, and confirm the save. Your browser will download what's rendered on the page, usually as a JPG or PNG. Keep in mind, the file you get reflects the size and quality displayed to visitors, which might be different from the original upload. On touch devices, a long press generally brings up the same save option. Repeat this process for any other items you want to keep. For documents like PDFs that are linked on the page, click the document link in Preview to open it in the browser viewer. Then use your browser's download option to save it. Organizing your downloads into a dedicated folder and giving them clear names will save time later. A couple of helpful tips as you go. Only download content you own or have permission to use. Respect licenses and privacy. If an element doesn't allow right-click due to overlays or custom code, try selecting the larger view or test another browser. And if you're the site owner and need the highest quality originals, your site's media library is often the best place to retrieve them.